The first our recipe will do in our pressure cooker will be beef in the pressure cooker. I will put it inside. We'll fill it with water. Enough. 1 spoon of salt. It's all. And close the lid. No. Yeah. And put it in the mid position. Turn the heat on the maximum level, and we'll do our beef ready. The indicator is up now, and we will do the heat on 1. And after 40 minutes our meat will be ready. After 40 minutes our beef is ready. We will turn on the heat and we need to drop our pressure. Wow. Maybe it was bad decision. Too hot. It was bad decision. Let's get the instruction. We need to check next 20 minutes to unheat it. Yeah. The meat is ready. Take the fork. Wow. It smells awesome. Let's test it.
Yeah.
Your tongue? Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Good one. My tongue? Awesome.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.